Hello dear students, welcome back to SP Economics videos for learners. Okay dear students, in previous classes only we discussed about that 5-year goals, first 5-year goals, modernization, growth, self-reliance and equity. So here we are going to start about a new one concept and very important concept for 6 and 4 marks. Land reforms from 1950 to 1990. So India introduced that few land reforms from 1950 to 1990 to improve the Indian economic condition and also occupational structure. So here we have that basically three important points in a land reforms. So first one is tillers the owners of land. The idea behind this move was that ownership of land would give incentives to the tillers to invest in making improvements provided sufficient capital was made available to them. And the second one is abolished intermediaries. So variously called they are zamindars, zagirdars, and abolition of intermediaries meant that some 200 lakh tenants came into direct contact with the government. They were thus freed from the being exploited by the zamindars. And the next third important is land ceiling. It was another policy to promote equity in the agriculture sector. This means fixing the maximum size of the land which could be owned by an individual. The purpose of land ceiling was to reduce the concentration of land ownership in a few hands. So basically these three important points are known as land reforms from 1950 to 1990 in India to increase the self-sufficiency and to reduce the dependency, to reduce the import of especially food grains from rest of the world. Okay, so here we have that. But unfortunately, the land reforms were successful in Kerala and West Bengal because these states only had governments committed to the policy of land to the tiller. Unfortunately, other states did not have the same level of commitment, and vast inequality in land holdings continues to this day. So, including our government legislation also faced hurdles. The big landlords challenged the legislation in the courts, delaying its implementation, and also some